Everybody, welcome to Charting Crypto. Today we're going to go over reserve rights, or RSR, which is down 5.8% at 008. We have a $411 million market cap with 50 billion coins in circulation out of 100 billion. So about, well, a little over 50% of the coins in circulation because it's 50.6. All-time high was 3 years ago at 11.7. We're down 93.1% from that all-time high. All-time low was 4 years ago at 001. So RSR, if you're interested, is currently available on the following markets: Binance, DigiFinex, BingX, BitGet, OKX. They have 7 different pages down here, so if you want this coin, you can find it somewhere. So let's take a look at RSR. So RSR, since February of 2021, was in a downtrend, and we've officially broken it. That's huge. That's a multi-year downtrend that has been broken. We officially are in a trend reversal here, which means the overall momentum has flipped from bearish to bullish. So what we're currently looking at here is higher highs and higher lows since October of 2023. So that's the more the lengthy look of it. Short-term look at it right now. If we draw from the high to the low on this fib, actually let's go to the bottom of the initial run up. High to low of the initial fib is we are currently finding some resistance here at the 786, about 008. And on top of that, the MACD on the day chart is looking like it's heading towards a possible bearish crossover. I would be looking out for that. We had a very, very close call back here, but it was bearish. It was a fake out. You know, we were about ready to flip bearish, and then it just started rocketing again, which those fake outs can get you sometime, especially if you're a futures trader. You know, you get that fake out there, you toss in a short, then the thing just starts ripping back to the upside. On top of that, the RSI did just put in a lower low, which is kind of a sign of it starting to see a retracement. And then also the WTX is starting to see a retracement. So in the short term right now, I would probably be focusing on 7.5 as the support area for RSR, which I think if we draw the short-term fib, there's a fib there. The 618 at about 6.7. So I would be looking for a possible, I would say 7 to 7.1, 007 to 0071. I think something like this, and then a possible rally to the upside to about 1 at about 1.3. So RSR in the short term, I do think we'll be seeing a slight retracement from the high to the low here at about 18%, and then you can start rallying up from that point on. So I'm going to be slightly bearish on RSR, but overall, I think I'm going to be bullish at the overall structure of it. Now, if we draw the lifelong fib, which is the all-time high to the low, what we currently are seeing here is, we are below it. We're having a difficult time staying above that 382. That 382 gave us hell all the way back in 2022 as resistance, and it's currently giving us a tough time right now trying to stay above it. So overall, during the structure or during the movement, we want to stay above 0083. We want to break above that 382. We want to stay above that. The overall moon line for RSR is the 618 right here at about 2.3. You know, you get above the lifelong 618, that's when you start ripping. But in the short term, like I mentioned, let's go all the way back. In the short term, I would be keeping an eye on RSR possibly working its way back down to about 0075 to 007. And then from there, we can start seeing a rally to the upside. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.